Hello everyone! Welcome to the WARC Kyrgyz tutorials. We are continuing to explore important grammar topics in the Kyrgyz language. In this video, we will talk about the noun or zatatoch. Let's start. A noun identifies a person, a place, a thing, or an idea. Like other languages, the Kyrgyz language also has proper, common, concrete, and abstract nouns. You are no doubt familiar with those ideas. So in this video, we will talk about common mistakes with nouns in Kyrgyz. First, a mistake related to writing. Many students confuse when they should use capital letters and lowercase letters, because the rules are slightly different in Kyrgyz and in English. Like in English, the names of people, places, and geographical terms start with capital letters. For example, America, Naren, Karl Marx. However, if we add endings like lık, ch, chil, ism, then those nouns will start with lowercase letters. The endings can be changed according to the love of harmony. For example, Montana, Amerikalık. Montana is from America. Men narındıkmın. I'm from Naren. Pay attention, according to love of harmony, the ending lık changed to dık. Teoriyalardan biri Marxism. One of the theories is Marxism. Endings like lık, ç, and chil show a person's affiliation with something, and ism is equivalent of English ism. In English, we capitalize the days of week and the names of the months, but in Kyrgyz we capitalize them only if they come at the very beginning of the sentence. In other cases, we use lowercase letters. For example, Jekşembe günü jolugabız. We will meet on Sunday. Biz Jekşembe günü jolugabız. We will meet on Sunday. Another rule regarding places and geographical terms is that if a name or place consists of two or more words, then we always put a hyphen between them. Many Kyrgyz places have such names. For example, Alato, Isıkköl, Akbaşı, Karabalta, Jalalabad. A common mistake that Russian speakers make is adding a soft sign to words. In the Kyrgyz language, we don't use soft signs. For example, Asel, not Asel. Emil, not Emil. Eldar, not Eldar. Another common mistake that Kyrgyz learners make is forgetting to add possessive endings. When we say the proper name of buildings or places, we add the third person possessive ending. The third possessive pronoun is anın, which means his, her, its. The endings that correspond with this possessive pronoun are s for words that end with a vowel, and u, ü, ü, i for words that end with a consonant. For example, anın apası, his, her, its mother. Anın adı, his, her, its name. This rule also applies when we say the proper name of buildings or places. For example, if we will say just universitet, it means university. But if we will say the American University, then it's not America Universitet, but America Universiteti. It's like we are saying America's University. If we will say just meymankana, it means hotel. But if we will say the Hayat Hotel, it's not Hayat Meymankana, but Hayat Meymankanası. It's like we are saying Hayat's Hotel. If we will say just Ayıl, it means village. But if we will say the Akjar village, is not Akjar Ayıl, but Akjar Ayılı. It's like we are saying the village of Akjar. Accordingly, when we will change the Ayıl and Akjar Ayılı with case endings, they will be slightly different, because now the word ends with a vowel instead of a consonant. For example, for locative case, Ayılda, in the village, Akjar ayılında, in Akjar village. For ablative case, ayıldan, from the village. Akjar ayılınan, from Akjar village. For dative case, ayılga, to the village. Akjar ayılına, to Akjar village. Lastly, in Kyrgyz, there are singular and plural forms of the words who and what. The singular kim, who, becomes kimdir. The singular emne, what, becomes emniler. So you must think about whether the answer you are seeking is singular or plural before you ask the question. For example, Bul kim? Who is this? Bul mugalim. This person is a teacher. Bul emne. What is this? Bul kitap. This is a book. Bular kimdir? Who are those people? Bular meymandar. Those people are guests. Bular emneler. What are those? Bular giyimler. Those are clothes. Today we talk about common mistakes with nouns in Kyrgyz. In the next video we will continue exploring other interesting topics in the Kyrgyz language. So please subscribe to our channel, like and share with friends. Görüşкенçe.